Hello, Ryan and all your fans. Thank you so much for watching. This is how you install the Rosestacker mod. My name is Ryan3000. Hope you enjoy. Got some joy right here. So good. Okay, so let's get right into it. First off, you want to go into your desktop. You're going to right click. Ryan, I think you're on Mac. If you are, keep watching. Look up solutions. There should be like 2 things you have to look up, but I'll show you that later. Anyway, go to new folder. It does not matter the name. We're going to name it Ryan3000 because Ryan is that cool. So we're going to new text document. Does not matter the name again. Going to go into it. I'm going to paste in. Hang on. We're going to paste in this command. Hello. We're going to paste in this command. Sorry about that, guys. This will be in the description. We're going to click File, Save As. Then we're going to name this start.bat. Okay, start.bat, super simple. Save it, exit out of this, done. Okay, now we're going to go to Safari and going to go into this website, which I will also link in the description. Going to download Paper. As you see here, we've been downloading for quite a while now because I keep having problems with this. So we're going to make this work though. Then we're going to drag it in once it's done. Finish up, thank you very much. We're going to drag it right into here. We are going to name it Server. Just like that, Server. Done. Going to start it. It's going to now be downloading some stuff. While this downloads, I would like to say thank you so much for watching this again. Ryan, I'm playing the same challenge as you, but quite frankly, I used to think we were at war, but quite frankly, I'm just having some fun. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. It's downloading. This will take a second. It's going to have an error in just about 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it failed. Okay, so see right here, failed to load EULA. So we're going to exit this out, go into EULA, then you're going to go up and you're going to change this false to true because we don't like false things, we like true things. Then we're going to go to save, just save, okay, simple. Then we are going to exit out, then we're going to click start again. It should work now. Watch this, guys. Also, we got Dr. Pepper. Ryan, you should make your own drink. Dr. Pepper Joy Red. I think you'd get sued, but that'd be fun. Okay, so the server is now running. Super cool. Server's now running. We're actually going to close it now. We do not need the server running right now. We're going to go back to Google. We're going to go to Rosestacker. This will also be linked in the description. Going to download now. This is going to download. Sorry, we're not donating, but you got your Jersey Mike's ad. You'll be fine. Rosestacker mod right there. We're going to drag this right in to plugins. Okay, plugins. It's going to drag in, it's now in the Rosestacker mod. That's what you need. The reason you have to create a server is because the Rosestacker mod is a plugin. Plugins are only available on servers, so you're basically making a local server. You don't need to be online for the server. It's really confusing, but just trust me, it works. So next you're going to go to app data. This is where you're going to have to use your Safari on your MacBook to look up how you get to your Minecraft worlds. But once you figure that out, you're going to go into your saves. And then you're going to have this. My save is Ryan3000, but for some reason, the original world was created, it said John Bub, because that's my main YouTube channel or whatever. So anyway, I picked some really cool food content. I made a Joyride Blizzard on that account. I got like 100,000 views, which is super cool. Go watch that, guys. It's linked in the description. Anyway, John Bub. You're going to drag it in. Actually, no. You're not going to drag it in. You're going to go into it, and you're going to copy all of this. Copy. Then you're going to go in, and you're going to go to the world, and you're going to delete all of this. You do not want the world running, because it will not delete if the server's running. So you're going to do that, paste in your actual world, then you are going to go back, you're done. Now you're going to go in to Minecraft, you're going to go to direct connection, you're going to type out localhost, join server. Okay, well, we didn't start the server. Let's try starting it. Okay, start. Every time you have to start it, it's fine. Then once it's running, it's running. It is one more thing in the background running, but this is how the mod's going to work. And I'll explain more of the mod once we get into it. So it's all running. You can see the green arrows. It's running. It's using like, wow, it's using a lot. 500 megabytes, quite a dang lot. Anyway, you're going to go in and refresh. It's now running. So direct connection, localhost, join server. And just like this, it's going to lag to start off just because it's creating that world right now. Just give it a second. I love Joyride, by the way. Okay, so chickens are there, right? If you give it about 5 seconds, they're all going to condense. Just watch this. Boom. Boom. We have, I want some sound. We have the chickens all condensed. So, as you see here, we just died. So, this is kind of unfortunate we died, but it's fine. 69 chickens, 7 chickens, 2 chickens and 48. Once these grow up, or once these two walk next to each other, they will compact. Oh, boom, they compacted within 5 block radius. You can change how close they have to be. Now they're compacted. These baby chickens, boom, they're compacted. And once those grow up, they'll compact into this guy. You can set how many can be inside of one. I'll show you how to do that in just 1 second. Anyway, these are all compacted. I want to show you one more thing with this. We're going to eat though first. Crap. Okay, if you kill one, it just kills one. Just kills one. When they lay eggs though, they lay eggs as many as 116 would. So that's completely normal. Anyway, if you want to have design on how I built this thing, all this, how the water flows in the middle, it goes down, it comes out of here. Come on, go out. And it goes around, it goes into a bubble elevator that goes all the way up. Let me show you this real quick, guys. I know you guys have short attention spans, y'all can wait. It goes all the way up into this, goes circles around into these hoppers that have observers facing each other. There is a link. No, just watch my videos. You'll find out how I built this. But I also posted on your store, on your community post quite a few times on how to build this. That's really cool. Anyway, this is really cool. This basically means them all have to swim, lay eggs. Anyway, you guys don't care. So we're going to disconnect. As you see though, when we reconnect in, no lag. It's completely normal. The chickens are there. Completely fine. Super cool though. We're going to disconnect. We're going to go into here. You're going to go to plugins. You're going to go to Rosestacker. Oh, the server can't be running. Let's close out of the server, guys. Close the server. Okay. Now, going to go into Rosestacker. Close that out. And you're going to go to Entity Settings, okay? Entity Settings. Open it up in your notepad or whatever you can open it up with. And then you're going to scroll down to Chicken. Now, also you can disable, because right now every mob is going to be stacking, so you can disable this. Just type out false for each one, not flash. Anyway, go to chicken, and this max stack size, right now it's at 128. It just says -1. It's at 128 right now. You can set this though to 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. I highly suggest you do not set it above, I'd say 1,000. Because I made that off of the top of my head. I did it on 1,000. It works. Higher than 1,000 basically makes it so that, let's say you have 10,000 chickens inside of one. Those 10,000 chickens are all laying eggs inside of one entity. And so when they all lay eggs, it's going to crash that server. Not necessarily. I don't think it will. But those eggs is going to be your problem in the future. How many eggs are flowing through the system will crash your game eventually. So you have to figure out a way to get rid of those eggs. Be filtering them, throwing them. Trust me, the eggs are going to be the problem, not the chickens. So I would cap it at 1,000. You can play around with it. You can always lower the cap size, raise it, whatever. I'd cap it at 1,000, not 100,000, please. Okay, 1,000. Boom. That is how you do this in Minecraft. Thank you so much for watching. I do genuinely appreciate it. And I also love Joyride, and I love this series. I have fun playing every day. I watch your series whenever it comes out. So thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. It is so late at night. I gotta post this and go to bed, and then I have finals. I don't have finals tomorrow. I have school tomorrow. I don't have finals. School just started. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my video, because I post every day. Bye.